Meantime tonight, a legal battle over where Silfab Solar can manufacture solar panels is now back in the hands of York County leaders. A judge recently upheld a Board of Zoning Appeals ruling that could prevent certain manufacturing operations at that facility.
Yeah, tonight, County Council is meeting to figure out what comes next. WCNC Charlotte's Alexandra Rios-Malvia explains what's at stake.
Tonight's meeting comes just days before school starts, and that timing is bringing urgency to families and community members who live here that have been fighting Silfab's location. A recent ruling sided with York County's Board of Zoning Appeals, finding that the solar panel manufacturing operation, Silfab Solar, is not allowed under the current zoning.
We were hoping to affirm the BZA decision that solar panel manufacturing was not allowed in a light industrial district, zoning district. And sure enough, Judge McKinnon did rule that 7149 Logistics Lane, which is Silfab, there would not be allowed to continue solar panel manufacturing with chemicals.
York County Councilwoman Debbie Collinger tells me there's an important distinction. Silfab received an earlier permit allowing office work and distribution uses. She says are permitted in the light industrial zoning district, but she says manufacturing is different.
They are zoned for office space and for distribution.
And the location is a major concern for the community. Silfab sits next to Flint Hill Elementary, which closed out of precaution for a few days last year due to 2 different chemical incidents. Collinger says the goal isn't to force Silfab out.
They're just saying, let's do the right thing.
Silfab, however, disagrees with the interpretation of the ruling. In a letter sent to York County's officials on Wednesday, the company says the judge's decision applies only to future permits, not the existing facility. Silfab says the operation is safe, fully compliant, and poses no public health risk.
The other thing is
Community advocate Scott Jensen with Move Silfab disagrees with the company and says the court ruling should now force the county to take action.
Legal outcome would be revoking the permits. The permits are all issued after the BZA ruling, and the judge just upheld the BZA ruling. So the permits are all void according to the South Carolina law. So they have to revoke them.
Tonight is just the latest on this ongoing debate that has lasted for years. We'll bring you the latest coverage from tonight's meeting coming up at 11. In Fort Mill, Alexandra Rios-Malvia, WCNC Charlotte.